Students, today we are going to learn the topic transpose of a matrix. In this class, we are going to learn the definition of a transpose of a matrix, symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix. Means definitions of transpose of a matrix, symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, and problems. So first, transpose of a matrix. What is a transpose? The matrix obtained by changing the rows of a given matrix into columns. Rows of a given matrix into a columns is called a transpose of a matrix. Means if you change the elements of a rows into a columns, then the matrix is called a transpose of a matrix, and it is denoted by A transpose. If A is a matrix, then its transpose is denoted by A power T. A transpose means rows, changing rows into columns or columns into rows. Anyways, rows ni columns ka రాయడం, రోస్ని తీసుకుని వాటిని కాలమ్స్కో రాస్తే వచ్చే న్యూ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ is called transpose of a matrix, and it is denoted by A transpose, A power T. Okay, next example. We'll see examples. Suppose example A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is order 2 by 4. It's the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am writing it as column. I am converting row into column. 1, 2, 3, 4. ఇక్కడ రోగా ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది కాలంగా రాశాను. నెక్స్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ రో 5, 6, 7, 8ని ఏం చేశాను, సెకండ్ కాలంగా రాశాను. ద న్యూ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏదైతే వచ్చిందో దట్ ఈస్ డినోటెడ్ బై ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్. ఓకే, ద మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఈజ్ ఆబ్టైన్డ్ బై ట్రాన్స్పోజ్. రోని కాలంగా రాయడం, 1, 2, 3, 4 ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ కాలం and second row as second column in the matrix. The resultant matrix is called transpose. It is denoted by A power T. Rows ni columns ka రాయాలి. Actually matrix is of order 2 by 4. The A power transpose is order 4 by 2, reverse. Okay, 2 by 4, then it becomes a 4 by 2. Next, if A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, then A transpose first row 1, 3. I am writing as a column 1, 3, and 5, a second row I am writing as a column 5, 7. It is called A transpose, transpose of a matrix. It is denoted by A power T. Okay, rows ni columns ka రాయడం. Next, means if you observe this 2 by 4 becomes order 4 by 2, means it is reversing. If suppose A is the order of m by n, then A transpose is order n by m. Rows columns will be interchanged. Okay, next, this is a transpose of a matrix. What is the transpose of a matrix? Changing rows into columns. Changing rows of a given matrix into columns is called a transpose of a matrix. It is denoted by A power T. Okay, next, properties of A transpose. Transpose of a matrix properties. A transpose, all transpose equal to A. If you transpose a matrix 2 times, then resultant matrix is same. Okay, next, K into A, all transpose equal to K into A transpose. Next, third one, A plus B, all transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A minus B, all transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Next, AB all transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Suppose multiplication ABC all transpose equal to C transpose into B transpose into A transpose. రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్లో వస్తుంది. మల్టిప్లికేషన్లో అడిషన్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్లో సేమ్ వస్తుంది, కానీ మల్టిప్లికేషన్లో AB ఓల్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు B ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ A ట్రాన్స్పోజ్. B నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ABC ఉంటే C ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఇంటూ B ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఇంటూ A ట్రాన్స్పోజ్. అదే ఏబిసిడి 4 ఉంటే డి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్, ట్రీ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్, బి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఇంటూ ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్. రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్లో వస్తుంది. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్రాపర్టీస్. రిమెంబర్ దీస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్. 6th ప్రాపర్టీస్, ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఓల్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ, కే ఇంటూ ఏ ఓల్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కే ఇంటూ ఏ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్, A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. A B whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. ABC whole transpose equal to C transpose into B transpose into A transpose of a matrix. Okay. Next, definition of a symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be here compulsory. Symmetric means it must be a square matrix. A square matrix A said to be a symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to A. If you found transpose of a matrix, if the matrix will be resultant matrix is same, A transpose equal to A, then the matrix is a symmetric matrix. For example, A equal to 2, 3, 3, 5. I am converting first row as a first column 2, 3 and 3, 5, 3, 5 second column. It equal to what? Both are same 2, 3, 3, 5, 2, 3, 3, 5. So A transpose equal to A. Therefore A is a symmetric matrix. What? A transpose equal to A came. Therefore A is a symmetric matrix. Next example. If A equal to, capital A equal to AHG, HBF, GFC is the matrix 3 by 3 matrix. It's transpose. Transpose means first row. Write it as a first column. AHG. Okay. Next second row HBF. I am writing as a second column of the matrix HBF. And third row GFC. I am converting into third column GFC. So it is AHG, HBF, GFC. Both matrices are equal. AHG, HBF, GFC equal to A. A transpose equal to A. Therefore, this matrix is a symmetric matrix. A is a symmetric matrix. And if you observe in 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix, if you neglect these diagonal elements, any element diagonal, then these opposite elements must be equal. H equal to H, G equal to G, F equal to F. Then the matrix is a symmetric matrix. Okay. Next, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. If A transpose equal to minus A, then matrix A is called skew symmetric matrix. If A transpose equal to A minus A, then matrix A is called a skew symmetric matrix. For example, A transpose equal to A, it is a symmetric. A transpose equal to minus A, then A is called a skew symmetric matrix. For example, A equal to 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Then A transpose, first row, I am converting into column. First column 0, 2 and next second row minus 2, 0 becomes second column minus 2, 0. If you take minus common in the matrices, then it will come as, okay, minus is outside, 0, minus of 0, 2, minus 2, 0. So minus of this total is A. So minus of A. So A transpose equal to minus A. Therefore A is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Next example. If B equal to 0, A, B, minus A, 0, C, B, minus C, 0. Okay. Matrix. Then it's a transpose, B transpose. I am writing this row, first row as a first column. 0, A, B. Okay. Next second row minus A, 0, C. Minus A, 0, C as a second column. And third row minus B, minus C, 0, minus B, minus C as the third column. The resultant matrix is B transpose. Rows annitni columns ga raayadam. So if you take minus common means 0, minus A becomes plus A, minus B becomes plus B, A becomes minus A, 0 is same, minus C becomes C, B, C becomes minus B, minus. This is the what this B matrix, 0 A B, minus A 0 C, minus B, minus C 0, that is minus B. Therefore B transpose equal to minus B, So transpose of B equal to minus of that matrix, therefore it is a skew symmetric matrix. If same matrix will come, it is a symmetric. If a minus of that matrix will come, it is a skew symmetric matrix. And if you observe the skew symmetric matrix, all the principal diagonal elements are zeros and the opposite elements are opposite sign. A minus B, B minus C plus C, opposite sign, and principal diagonal elements are zeros. In every skew symmetric matrix, principal diagonal elements are zeros. Okay. Next, it is skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means A transpose equal to A. Skew symmetric matrix means A transpose equal to minus A. Next theorem, every square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. If you take every square matrix, what is the statement? First we have to understand the statement theorem. Every square matrix, if you take any square matrix, that can be expressed as sum of symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. What is the proof? We have to prove that if you take, let capital A be any square matrix, then capital A can be written as A equal to 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose. If you simplify this one, multiply with 1 by 2, we get 1 by 2 A plus 1 by 2 A transpose, next plus 1 by 2 A minus 1 by 2 A transpose. I am simplifying the equation 1. This minus 1 by 2 A transpose plus 1 by 2 A transpose cancel. 1 by 2 A plus 1 by 2 A. Of A ante ఏమొస్తుంది A. Means A can be written as A. A can be written as 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Okay. Here the matrix A can be written as sum of two quantities, first one plus second one. I took this P as a P and second is a Q. First matrix is a P ga తీసుకుంటాను, second matrix Q. Okay, A ni ఎలా రాసాం? Sum of P and Q. Next, let P equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose and Q equal to 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Okay, here I am taking first one as a P, this one is a P and next one is the Q, P plus Q. A enti square matrix, any square matrix that can be written as P plus Q. Now I prove P is a symmetric matrix, Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, next. Suppose symmetric means transpose of that matrix is same, P transpose. I am taking P transpose. P transpose means what is the P value? 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. So P transpose equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose whole transpose. So by the property, what is the property? We have to go through the properties of symmetric matrices. K into A whole transpose equal to, second property, K into A whole transpose equal to K into A transpose. K outside coefficient, constant outside, only A transpose. Transpose అనేది A కి వస్తుంది. Same this way, here we get 1 by 2 is the coefficient, outside వస్తుంది K into A plus A transpose అనేది మ్యాట్రిక్స్. సో A plus A transpose all transpose. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ కూడా సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ ట్రాన్స్పోజెస్ ఉంది. A plus B whole transpose ఫార్ములా we have here A plus B whole transpose, A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Next we will use A transpose minus B transpose. It is A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. ఇక్కడ B ప్లేస్లో ఏముంది, అక్కడ A transpose ఉంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్, దిస్ is A plus B whole transpose, that implies 1 by 2 is as it is into A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose by using that property. and A transpose whole transpose equal to property A. So 1 by 2 into A transpose plus A. A transpose plus A can be written as A plus A transpose. Therefore 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. 1 by 2 A plus A transpose means what? P. Therefore it is P. P transpose equal to, we got again P. Therefore P is a symmetric matrix. By the definition, P transpose equal to P means P is a symmetric matrix. Next, we will take Q. Q equal to 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. So Q transpose, we will take Q transpose. Q transpose equal to 1 by 2 A minus A transpose whole transpose. 1 by 2 outside property A minus A transpose whole transpose. So 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose whole transpose means A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose, and A transpose whole transpose equal to A. So A transpose minus A, and minus is common in that. Minus is common. Minus common means minus 1 by 2 into A transpose becomes minus, A becomes plus, A minus A transpose. So 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose, what it is? 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose is Q. So substitute this value Q in that, we get that is minus Q. Okay, minus Q. So Q transpose equal to minus Q. Therefore it is a Q is a skew symmetric matrix. P transpose equal to P ostindi means it is a symmetric matrix. Q transpose equal to minus Q. Therefore it is a skew symmetric matrix. And here A equal to what? P plus Q. So P also A equal to P plus Q, where P is a symmetric matrix, Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, hence A is any square matrix. We can express every square matrix A as a sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. And ikkada we took A equal to 1 by 2. A equal to A is any square matrix, and A equal to 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose. Any sum of 2 ga rasam. First quantity I am taking a P matrix, and second quantity I am taking Q, and I proved P is a symmetric and Q is a skew symmetric. Means A can be expressed as P plus Q, means where P is a symmetric and Q is a skew symmetric, means every square matrix is expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. This is a formula. Theorem proof. Any square matrix can be written as expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Next, we will do the problems. First problem. If A equal to 2 minus 3, 5, 1, then find A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose. Already A is there. A equal to 2 minus 3, 5, 1. A transpose. A transpose means converting rows into columns. First row 2 comma minus 3. 2 minus 3 first column. And 5 comma 1 second row. We are converting into second column. First row and second. First row first column. Second row second column. Therefore 2, 5 minus 3, 1 is the transpose of a matrix. Sum A plus A transpose. A matrix plus A transpose matrix. Sum 2 plus 2. Addition 2 plus 2 4. Minus 3 plus 5 2. 5 minus 3 2. 1 plus 1 2. 4 2 2 2 is the answer of A plus A transpose matrix. Next problem. If A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B equal to 3 4 6 2 5 1, then find A transpose plus B. A transpose plus B. First of all, we have to find A transpose. A transpose 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first row A transpose means rows are converted into column. First row is converted into first column 1 comma 2, and 3 comma 4 second column, and 5 comma 6 third row is third column. So we get A transpose equal to 1 3 5 2 4 6 is the matrix, A transpose matrix. Now we have to add A transpose plus B. A transpose plus B. A transpose is 1 3 5 2 4 6 and B. B means this is 3 4 6 2 5 1. Adding both So addition 1 plus 3 4 and 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 6 11 and 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, these are the problems A transpose plus B. Next homework problems. If A equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5 comma 3, then find A plus A transpose. First find A transpose, then add the both the matrices. Next second problem, if A equal to 1 4 7 2 5 8 3 6 9 3 by 3 matrix, B equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0, then find A transpose plus B transpose, A plus B whole transpose. A transpose plus B transpose means first we need to find A transpose, next B transpose, next add. Okay, A plus B whole transpose means first we have to find A plus B, then transpose. Okay, do the homework problems. If you have any doubts, send me a message or call me. Okay, thank you.